Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox some of this kids toy. These are some of the toys that my wife got for the gifts. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then open it up. This one is the leapfrog. It says, try me, slide and touch any page. 100 words book, learning friends. It says bilingual, hi, hola. Discover 100 plus words. Touch the picture to hear words in English and Spanish. 3 learning modes. Include words, sound, and fun fact. Light up star plays 2 learning songs. So right here is the power switch. There's a low and a high volume.
Sonidos divertidos.
This is high.
Abre el libro para escuchar sonidos divertidos.
It's in Spanish, Español. You can switch to English.
Fun sounds. Open the book to hear fun sounds. Pets. Animals. Meow.
It's a pretty cool toy.
Rawr. Ooh, this fish is swimming. My name is Monkey.
So you can switch to search.
Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something. This lion is brown. This hippo is gray. This panda is black and white. This giraffe is yellow and brown. Elephant. Ooh, I love elephants.
Let's switch to the book.
Words. Touch a picture. Penguin. Bear. Elephant. Lion. Giraffe. Hippo. Panda. Monkey. Dog. Frog. Bird. Fish. Lizard. Pony. Rabbit. Cat. Meow. Animals. Elephant. Fruits. Watermelon. Cherries. Grape. Pear. Orange. Lemon. Apple. Bread. Broccoli. Milk. Carrot. Eggs. Water. Cheese. Rice. This. Food. Mealtime. I eat from a plate. Do you like my hat? Colors. My body.
So this is pretty fun books for kids to learn.
Ooh, pink is my favorite. vehicles, helicopter, car, boat, submarine, bicycle, train, bus, airplane. Day, night, dirty, clean, little, cold, big. Some of my favorite words are boat, pets, learning friends, together in harmony, there's so much to see. We're learning friends. Some of my favorite words are hippo, penguin. I love words. Learning friends, together in harmony, there's so much to see. We're learning friends. Learning. Some of my favorite words are lemon, banana. I love words. Lemon.
So yeah, this is an awesome gift. This one's the,
Explore. Open the book.
oops, let me turn it off. This is the alphabet and number matching cards for up to 36 months. And the product is made in China. Let's go and then open this up. This plastic storage container with a lid. So I got the 3 crocodiles. And then you can put number 3 over here. It's wooden. So they have a panda, this is the P. Owl, all right here. So the number is bigger cards. We got the snake, turtle. So we got 10, 9. Let's arrange it. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure we have all the alphabet. So see 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we have all the alphabets. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.